13 July 2023, Kampung Terawi, and this is where the flood mitigation project diversion is here. Okay, that's upstream from Mayog. Going to the right branch goes to Putatan. Okay, it's hidden the view. And this one goes to Padundungan, Pitagas, for people who doesn't know. And that, luckily last night, the flood is only 2 feet at Penampang. It didn't reach the Gongon. So far, no debris there, because most of the debris would have been sent down to this main temporary diversion here. They reopen the canal, and you can see that the level here downstream is lower than the upstream. Okay, because they are trying to divert most of the water to Putatan. But then, what's the use of that contraption there? Totally useless structure. What function is it serving? It's doing nothing. And because it's not allowing enough water downstream, you have to open this one, isn't it? Look at the amount of water coming down. Otherwise, if this was not open, then the Putatan downstream would have been flooded, because the Putatan River is not ready to cater for big flood. I don't know when it's going to be completed. As the newspaper a few days ago says, it's delayed. I don't know what other things apart from no funds. There are thousands of other things that is delaying this river project and flood mitigation. So here you are, guys. Look at the amount of water being released to this one. It's a failed project. Why not just narrow the river in the middle and concrete line it? Then the boat can pass. Well, the boat cannot pass through. This one is too narrow. No, the raft. Would you have done it in the middle there, huh? Just narrow the river and put a concrete lining on it. Instead of building that at the side of the river, on the right side of the river. Kasih habis duit kerajaan saja. Nobody's been telling me or challenging me in my last video of what is the use of that. How is it going to help the flood? Bloody useless. And this thing was not shown to the stakeholders, the people of Penampang. Only a few people in government knew about this plan. They never released any design drawing or mitigation plan to the people. Why is it official secret? So, how is the raft going to go up and down the stream for tourism purpose? How are the boats going up and down this river? Totally brainless.